Jason,
What?
you want to play hide and go seek with me and Tyler?
Yeah. But you guys
You do?
fix it. Yeah.
Okay. Tyler, you want to count? Or I count? Or Jason count? Or I count? You count. Okay, Jason, you count.
Okay.
Look,
Come on.
Tyler's in here, Jay. Okay, are you counting?
Yeah.
Can I play?
Tyler, let's go. No, you can play next time, Grandma.
Okay.
All right, let's go, Tyler. Come on.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Come on, Tyler. Let's go. Come on. Let's hide back. Let's hide back here. Come on. Let's hide back here. Shh. Gotta be quiet. Let's play it. You know that.
Where is it?
Here we go. We gotta be quiet. Here we go.
No.
Tyler. Here we go.
There it is.
Ah! He found us! We gotta get him! Come on! We gotta get him! Ah! We got him! That was fun, right? Alright, well, tell Tyler we're gonna play again next time, alright?
Tyler, move like it next time.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Tyler.